Now we're just going to talk about ways that you can manually, without any sort of telemetry, without using any kind of a deck system, have an accurate inventory in your machine compared to what sells, doing it manually. So there's a couple ways you can do that. One of the things you can do is cut little product labels. Some people just use a piece of cardboard with the name of the product written on it. I like to use a piece of the box that has the logo because it's easily recognizable, and you put that in your machine. So, for instance, in this situation, if I had just loaded this machine, I would stick this little product card back here. What this does for me is as this sells down, this product card will continue to move forward. So when you're at the machine, you or a driver loading it, you can count how many spaces have been vended, put that many in, and then move the product card to the back again. That is one way to keep track of the inventory in the machine and not end up putting too much product in so you end up with items expiring, going bad. It's also a lot of investment in this machine in product to have it in there and not selling. It also allows you, if you have these product cards and you come up, if you have a number of cards, you can say, okay, well, this item sold 6, this item maybe sold 2, this item sold 1, by where they didn't sell at all. Maybe it's back here. You realize, okay, either something's wrong with that coil, or this is an item just not selling at this location. If you're at a small location, it's especially important to tailor the machine to the individuals at that location. And it's a way you can increase your sales and decrease the amount of product you're throwing away, decrease the amount of product and investment you have in the machine. Now, the method we like to use are these simple stickers. And I carry with me in my pocket some of these reusable stickers. Just pull them off the sheet, and I put them at the end of where I have my product. So I want part of this sticker, because it's removable, I may be moving this at different times, to stick up partway above the edge of this so I can easily put it on and put it off. So I'm going to put it right here at the end product. As these sell down, when I come back, I'll be able to look and say, oh, look, there's my sticker. Looks like I need 3. If I'm going back to the truck, or if I just brought a bunch of product in with me, I just fill it till it gets the sticker. I don't even have to think. When I do this, I like to look at my service schedule, and then I want to have 1/3 or less of product in the machine at the end of a service period. So for instance, if I come back and I see that 6 items sold in that column, the way I figure out that third is I take what has sold and I add 50% to it. So if 6 sold, I add 50% of 6, that's 3, for 9. That means if I keep 9 in the machine, the next time I come back, if 6 sold, 1/3, 3 will be left. And that's enough that you will have some excess product in case things get busy or you're not there for a day or 2 or a week if it's a really slow account. You're going to still have product left for your customer, but not so much product in the machine that it's going to go outdated on you. If you come back and you see this column, everything is sold out. I have 8 in this column right now. If all 8 of these sold, I would need 12. So I'd move my sticker back 1, 2, 3, 4. Place it farther back and fill to there next time.